Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can convert an image to video using Adobe Express. Now this is going to be actually one of the beta features that Adobe Express has, and we're going to use the Adobe Firefly video model, okay, which is maybe not the best, but if you have an Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, you're going to be given some credits, so you can just use it and see how it works. So what are you going to do? We're just going to come to the search bar in Adobe Express, and we're going to look for, you can also go to generative AI, by the way, but in this case, I'm just going to go to generate video. Okay, so I'm just going to look for this. And let's see if we can find any here in the quick actions. Here it is, generate video, and it says beta. Okay, so you're just going to click on it. I just want to click on this generate video beta. And it's going to take you here to this little section, this little editor. And what are we going to do, guys, is you're going to have here something that says start an image, upload an image, again, the content of your video. So you're just going to click on it and you're going to upload your preferred image. As you can see here, I have uploaded a balloon, okay, and I'm going to try to make it move using a prompt. So let's say, for example, the balloon starts flying across the sky, okay, and we're going to give it this prompt, and you can also modify like the camera angle. In this case, I'm just going to do like zoom out, and the shot size and the camera angle you can modify in principle with some of the images, but not with this one apparently. So yeah, I was going to click on generate. Keep in mind that this is going to cost you a lot of credits, 100 credits. So yeah, be wary about this. The results might not be the best because Adobe Firefly model are a little bit outdated with respect to the other beta models, but yeah, at least they're going to be able to use them for free relatively if you have a Creative Cloud subscription, and that's fine. Okay, so let's wait for it. And this is how it's going to look, guys. It looks pretty good, actually, as you can see. We can just play it here. Doesn't look too bad, actually. It looks pretty good. This is going to last about, 3 to 4 seconds, basically. 5 seconds or less, okay? And we can just increase the size in this little canvas. We can do a lot of things. We can edit it, we can trim it. So yeah, you can just play around with this editor, and you can even add audio, okay, which is a nice feature that they have added. You can just add an audio, like for example, a TikTok effect or sound effect or something like that. And they're going to give you like, different effects based on the image that you have in here and in the video that you have in here. So that looks pretty good. You can just look for it. Okay, guys? Yep, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.